Welcome to the colorful world of zinnias. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the vibrant and diverse world of zinnia flowers. Zinnias, scientifically known as zinnia, are celebrated for their bold and brilliant blooms. These iconic flowers are cherished for their vibrant colors, diverse forms, and long-lasting presence in gardens. Join us as we explore the colorful world of zinnias. The genus Zinnia encompasses numerous species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Zinnias are characterized by their showy, daisy-like flowers that come in a wide array of colors, including shades of red, pink, orange, yellow, white, and even bicolor and multicolor varieties. Their bright and cheerful blossoms have earned them a special place in the world of gardening and floral design. Zinnias carry deep cultural and symbolic significance. They are often associated with meanings of endurance, friendship, and the simple joys of life, making them popular choices for gardens, cut flower arrangements, and as a symbol of positivity. Additionally, zinnias are renowned for their prolific flowering, providing a continuous display of color from summer through fall. Zinnias are highly regarded in the world of gardening and horticulture. They are a favorite among gardeners for their ease of cultivation and ability to add a burst of color to gardens, borders, containers, and even wildflower meadows. Whether grown as annuals or perennials, zinnias offer a reliable and vibrant presence in any landscape. One of the most remarkable features of zinnias is their adaptability to different growing conditions. They can thrive in gardens, wildflower gardens, cutting gardens, and even as container plants, making them suitable for various garden environments. Their resilience and diverse forms add to their popularity among gardeners and flower enthusiasts. Efforts are made to conserve native zinnia species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, zinnias are more than just colorful blooms. They embody the spirit of endurance, friendship, and the simple beauty of life. Zinnias are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to warmer zones with hot summers. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Zinnias are versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate, Mediterranean, and even tropical climates. Some varieties endure high heat and humidity, making them ideal for hot summer gardens. Soil preferences. Zinnias prefer well-draining soil and are adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clayey soils. They tend to thrive in slightly acidic to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Zinnias require regular watering during their growing season. They appreciate consistent moisture but can tolerate short periods of drought once established. Sunlight requirements. Most zinnia varieties flourish in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. They are sun-loving plants that brighten up gardens with their vibrant colors. Zinnias offer a multitude of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their colorful charm into your outdoor space. Garden beds. Plant zinnias in garden beds or borders, creating a vibrant and cheerful display that attracts butterflies and pollinators. Cutting gardens. Cultivate zinnias in cutting gardens, where their bold and long-lasting flowers can be used for stunning floral arrangements, adding a burst of color to your home. Wildflower meadows. Sow zinnia seeds in wildflower meadows to create a riot of color and attract beneficial insects. Container gardening. Grow zinnias in pots and containers to bring their vibrant beauty to patios, balconies, and small spaces. They are perfect for container gardens. Butterfly gardens. Zinnias are excellent for butterfly gardens, as they provide nectar-rich flowers that attract and support butterflies and other pollinators. The versatility of zinnias empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create vibrant garden beds, stunning floral arrangements, or cheerful wildflower meadows. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey into the colorful world of zinnias. Zinnias have captivated gardeners and flower enthusiasts for their bold blooms, vibrant colors, and the joy they bring to gardens and floral displays. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a floral enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the simple beauty of life, may these colorful flowers continue to bring endurance, friendship, and a touch of positivity to your life and surroundings.